Hello everyone! Today I will show you how easy it is to buy and sell cryptocurrency using P2P trading on Binance. It's one of the most common ways user can buy, sell and trade cryptocurrency with zero fees. But first, what exactly is P2P trading? P2P, also known as peer-to-peer or person-to-person trading, involves direct transactions between individuals without centralized exchanges or banks. It's a decentralized way to buy and sell cryptocurrencies, where the buyer and seller deal directly with each other. Where Binance provides a platform for trading and also checks and rates traders. They display ratings and reviews, both positive and negative, to ensure safety and transparency. Additionally, they offer an escrow service for added security. What is an escrow service? In simple terms, think of escrow like a trusted middleman. Let's say you are buying crypto like USDT or Bitcoin. In this case, Binance locks the USDT or Bitcoin of the person you are buying from on Binance. Here is how it works. You make the payment and notify the seller. Once the seller receives the money, Binance transfers the crypto to your wallet immediately. In most cases, when everything goes smoothly, the buyer pays and the seller releases the crypto. However, in some rare cases, you may need to open an appeal. This is when the escrow service comes into play. It ensures that the crypto was temporarily locked to prevent scams and ensure both parties fulfill their obligations before the funds are released. This provides a secure way to protect both buyers and sellers. Alright, let's give the P2P service a try. Today, I will walk you through how to buy and sell crypto using Binance. First, go to the Binance homepage, navigate to the Trade section and select P2P. Here you have the option to buy or sell crypto. Let's start with buying. You will see a list of available cryptos, but I recommend starting with stablecoins like USDT. Once you have USDT, you can trade for any crypto on Binance. Select your currency. There are various options like British pounds, USD and Euro. You will also see different payment methods for each currency. Since I'm in Ukraine, I will choose the Ukrainian currency hryvnia. Enter the amount you want to buy and you will see the available options. Look for users with good track record, at least 100 transactions and a completion rate about 90-95% to minimize risk. You will also see the minimum and maximum amounts offered by each user. Also, you can click on user to check feedbacks about them. Once you've chosen the best option, click Buy USDT. Be sure to read any advertiser's terms carefully. If something doesn't seem right, it's better to choose another option. Enter the amount you want to pay and you will see how much USDT you will receive. This amount will be blocked by Binance until you make the payment. Click Buy USDT to proceed. You will see the order details and the seller's payment information. Copy the payee information to make the payment as instructed. The transaction takes place outside of the Binance platform between you and the seller. So double check the payee information and complete the transaction within the time limit. Now I'm going to transfer money to the seller. Once the payment is made, click on Mark as paid and then confirm. The seller will release the crypto after confirming the payment is received. They also have a time limit to release it.
A few moments later.
Now, as you can see, the seller has released the USDT to my wallet. That's pretty much it for buying. I can simply rate the person positive or negative. Since I didn't have any issues, I will rate them positive. Now the money is in your wallet. If you want to use this USDT, for instance to buy other tokens like Bitcoin, you should move it to your spot wallet. Go to your wallet and select Fund in Wallet. You will see your available balance here. Then select Transfer, choose from Fund into Fiat and Spot, enter the amount, click Confirm, and you are ready to begin trades. Also, if you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions. Now, how about selling? Selling on Binance P2P platform follows a similar process to buying, except this time you are the one receiving transfers to your bank account, while Binance holds your crypto until the transfer is completed. First, transfer your USDT from the spot wallet to the funding wallet. Then go to the P2P section and click Sell. You will see the same options as the Buy page. It's highly recommended to filter by your bank or payment method to ensure the buyers can transfer money to your bank. You will see a price the buyer is willing to pay for 1 USDT in your local currency. Select a convenient option and click Sell USDT. Enter the amount you want to sell and provide your bank details, such as a card number, required to make the transfer to your bank account. After hitting Sell USDT, the buyer should send you the money. You will notice the buyer now has a time limit as well. You can check the chat section for any messages. Remember, Binance is holding your USDT in escrow, so until you receive the payment and click Accept, no one gets anything. That's the beauty of P2P trading. Once Binance informs you that the buyer has marked the order as paid, double-check your bank app to ensure you receive the funds. If everything is okay, go back to Binance and release the funds by clicking Confirm and authenticating through SMS or Google Authenticator. And that's it, you successfully sold your USDT. That is the end of this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more crypto tips and tutorials.